A sad end to a long life together. This couple just celebrated their 75th wedding anniversary. Both died in the California wildfires. Their home was leveled.
It was just like a firestorm, and it hit so fast, and they just didn't have a chance.
The son of Charles and Sarah Rippey remembers his parents, 198 years old, who fell in love as kids.
Those of us in the family always would wonder what would happen if one of them died and the other one was still left, because we knew that, there's no way that, they would be happy.
Mike Rippey says he was headed home from London when his brother called with the devastating news.
My mother had a stroke and she couldn't move very well at all. My father certainly never would have left her.
Charles served in the Army during World War II for 4 years. They lived in Napa for 35. They are survived by 5 children, 12 grandchildren, and 9 great-grandchildren. For InsideEdition.com, I'm Lee Sheps.